Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add your MARSHALL WILLEN II speaker to your smartphone application. It doesn't really matter if it's Android phone or iPhone, the process is the same. Here we do have our application, it's called the MARSHALL Bluetooth, and here we have to tap Add New Device. Now we have to tap Allow here, and now our application is searching for our speaker. Before this whole process, I either recommend to enter the pairing mode on your speaker or just be paired with your phone. Here we have to tap Add, and now our speaker is now added to our application. We have to tap Pair Back again, and here we have a quality presets, battery preservation, and over-the-air updates. Get started, and goodbye, that's it.